Hello everyone. I just got to my destination. It is just me today. Sorry for the shaky camera. We are at Orlando Brewing. I am meeting my friend Ashley here today to drink some beer. And I write a series on my blog called Brewery Tour, if you didn't know already, where I write about breweries I visit. So I want to check this one out today. Did I say where we are? I don't remember. We're at Orlando Brewing. I have a very bad memory. But let's go drink some beer. Let's go. Here we are. There's Ashley. Orlando Brewing is in the middle of nowhere. So if you think you are not in the right place, you are. So it just literally looks like a warehouse. I'm curious what it looks like on the inside. But they have like a little stage out here and seating, and we're headed to the tap room to get some beer. I am trying so hard to make this less shaky today. Yay, beer! Hooray, beer! Okay, so we got a flight. It's so quiet in here, so if I'm whispering, that's why. I feel like I can't talk at a normal volume. And Ashley's laughing at me. But we got a flight.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm assuming this super dark one is the chocolate mint Girl Scout cookie. Ashley got a pumpkin, which is probably that one.
Yep.
What do you think this one is?
I don't even remember what we got.
I don't either. One of these is grapefruit, one of these is tea. Actually, that might be grapefruit. This is probably tea. That's probably your pumpkin.
Yep.
And that's probably Girl Scouts.
Yep.
And here's their, shaky. Here's their menu. They actually have a lot more here than I thought they would. I have to pan it like this because it's focusing on only the top. So let's try some beer. Okay, so we drank our beers. I'm still talking really quiet because it's still really quiet in here, but we've made friends with almost everyone in here, which is like the 6 people that are here. But this one that's empty was the chicha, which is focus. All right, that's as good as I can get right there. But this one, they brew specifically for what? The China Pavilion at Epcot. Figured I would give you a little panoramic. It's pretty small. I mean, we're literally like the only 2 people in here, but they have a hell of a tap wall. Like, check that out. Stop focusing on the 2 in front of me. There we go. And their merch. I am all for brewery merch. I'm getting that shirt right there, that purple one. But they have them in different colors, and ladies' V-necks, and some fun ones, and some growlers, and glasses, and you know, your odds and ends that breweries have. And we're just having a good time, and I am drinking the tea beer because it's freaking
It's
good.
amazing. It is truly
God,
amazing.
it's so good. And then they also have, well, not them, but Florida and Central Florida have this ale trail, and it's all different breweries that you can visit, and you get stamps. So we got our stamp for Orlando Brewing, and it's kind of like a brewery passport. So we've been here, we've been to Orange County, Wops Hops, Sanford, Ivanhoe, Crooked Can. I think that's it for now, but we have so many more to visit, and I am very excited to go see them all. So I was just reading, you can't read this, I don't think, but we were reading, I guess, like their mission statement, I guess is what this would be, but at the end, it literally just says, just drink our beer, cheers, and that's amazing, and their beer is so good. So I was just taking pictures for my blog, but These are all awards that they've won for competitions that they put their beer in. I'm telling you guys, this is good beer. This is pretty awesome. I was also walking and they have beer books. It's kind of dark back here. And a dartboard. Look at that. Might take a stab at this in a second. It's just a nice little seating area. There's no one else in here other than me and Ashley now, so I feel a little more comfortable vlogging. Okay, so we're now the only two.
We're completely alone.
In the entire brewery. This is strange.
We are alone.
There's literally no one else in here. I mean, it's chill. I like this brewery just because, I mean, mind you, we are here on a Saturday at 3 o'clock. We got here at like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
So, and they opened at 1. So we came here early knowing like it probably would be busy. But when we got here, it was busy and everyone left. And now we're just here.
We're all by ourselves.
So, yeah. I know I like kind of panned over this before, but they have so many beers on tap. So many beers. Playing darts. Can you see the darts? Okay, 2 isn't bad. So we're over here playing darts. That was my last one. I should play darts more, but I saw this. They have mini disc golf. I want to play this. I've never seen that before. Let's try again. Alright, ready? Oh my god, that was the closest I've ever done and I wasn't even looking. Okay, we're all done. We're leaving with goodie bags of stuff. We literally had that brewery to ourselves.
Yeah, we did. It was
like this
amazing.
whole time. Their beer is really good. I highly suggest anyone come out and try it. It's very quiet during the day, so if you want like a quiet, like personal chill brewery day, definitely come early. But that's about it. So it's all for this week. That is all I wanted to show you this weekend because we just wanted to chill this weekend before vacation. So, bye!